total surface area of cubes to be formed must be 4 into 6. So we can write down total surface area of one cube, that should be equal to what? 2 into 2, that is one surface area into 6. So that means 24 centimeters square. One surface area is side into side, L into L, that is L square. Total there are 6 such surfaces are there. So 6 into surface area of one face means 24 centimeter square will be the surface area, total surface area of one cube. And the surface area of given sheet, given rectangular sheet is concerned, that is 12 into 6, that is 12 into 6 centimeters square. So it is 72 centimeters square. So if one such hollow cube requires 24 centimeters square to make the closed geometry, so total plate area material to be used is 72. So that means numbers of cube formed, that must be equal to total available area, surface area, total available surface area 72 centimeters square, that can be divided by the surface area of one such cube, that is 24. So straightway it will be 3 in number.